what if I told you this Python script can scrape phone numbers, email address from Bing, okay, and do it all through GUI, alright? Stick around and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world automation magic, okay? In today's video, we are going to dive into a powerful Python automation app that scrapes contact, company contacts info like phone numbers and email address, because the spreadsheet, as you can see, is already have the company names and address. Right, I use Playwright, phone numbers, modules, and Deer5 GUI because it's the GUI base. It's not a command line interface. We start by what we're going to do is we're going to load this GUI or this Excel sheet, or it's called the CSV file, and that file is already here on the directory where the app or the code is located. Okay, and I do several revision of the program, but the program that's running right now is this one, the phone scraper underscore GUI underscore version 7 .py. Okay, we're going to run that app right now. Just going to lower this down. Sorry. Okay, and right now this one. Okay, because we're going to load the CSV file of Canadian importers. So all of these uh, names are Canadian importers. Okay, the app will going to read the company names and the addresses and display the GUI or the contacts or the company names and the address in the GUI table. Okay, as you can see, the address is not, I mean, yeah, it's not the complete address, just the city, province, the postcode, that's all. Okay, and then we're going to show the phone numbers and the email address, even though I didn't put the column name email, because it will going to create another spreadsheet for a CSV file, and the email column we're going to show up. Okay, then what we're going to do here, we're going to load the CSV files. You can see the name of the file is Canadian underscore importers.csv, and that's the one in here. Okay, now we're going to run it. We're going to load the file. So you can see it loaded. That's flat, landers, concrete, and landscaper. Let's see, landscaping incorporated. Okay, that's the first company that we're going to be show up the phone number. Okay, now we're going to start scraping. Then the magic happens for each row. Playwright opens Bing, and then it's going to search for the company names, company contacts, details, extract phone numbers, and if that company provided the email or part of the meta tag on that what you call this search result, it will going to capture the email address. All of this runs in a separate thread to keep the GUI responsive. We even include auto saving to prevent the data loss. So what I mean of auto saving, while it's scraping, let me open that up. Okay, as you can see, it will not going to open up a browser, because as you can see here, there's a enable button here. Sorry about that. Yeah. As you can see here, there's a check mark here. It means that the Chromium browser will not going to show up. It's also on the app. Let's go here and show that to you here. Okay, if you're going to put it, I mean the default is it's true, and so the check mark is currently checked out. All right, I mean the checkbox has a check mark. Okay, and then if we're going to put it false, then we don't have to do that on the code. We have to do it here if you want to show up the what you call this, the browser, the Chromium browser. Okay, and yeah, once it's scraping, it will going to auto save all the details on the on the directory where the app is located, and it will going to um, okay, it will going to save on the file name. Go here. It's company. No, that's the one. Going to be saved under the yep, it's going to be Canada importers.csv, all lowercase. Okay, so you can see the default is Canadian underscore importers. Let me edit this so that we're not going to. Right, we're going to put here underscore data. Okay, here underscore data. You're going to save it, or you can just click on the file and then save it. Okay, or you can just do it control S. Okay, all right. Okay, it's done. We're going to close this out first. Okay, just clear. Now we're going to run it again. This time we're going to, just to make sure the browser we're going to show up, I just want to show you that it really works. I'm going to remove the check mark in this box. Okay, I'm going to load. As you can see, it's Flatlanders, Concrete, and Landscaping Incorporated. The first one. I'm going to start scraping now. Okay. Alright, as you can see, the Chromium browser shows up, and it will going to look for not found. Okay, the name of the browser or the phone there. As you can see, it's already been formatted. The phone number has a close or the open and close parentheses, and then the error code is already inside the parentheses. And then look at the other numbers after the open and close parentheses. It's formatted with 3 numbers first, and then dash, and then 4 numbers. Okay, so that you don't have to format that in, or you don't have to edit that on your spreadsheet. Okay, and as you can see, the phone number, some emails are not there because if not, they're not available on the file or on the search result. It will not be it will not be I mean, it will not get the email, or if it didn't find the email address, I mean, it will not going to get the email. All right, if there's no email, then there's no email. It will going to say not found. Okay, now the script will going to update the GUI live scraping result. Automatically the table will going to show up the phone numbers and email address, and then it auto saves on the CSV file. Let me show that to you here. As you can see here, we already have the Canadian underscore CSV, or call this importers. Okay, now we're going to close it out. Okay, we're going to close this browser. We're going to try if that works, if the browser is hidden, right? We're going to go here and close it out. Okay, it's closed. I'm going to clear. Right, but we're going to open this up to check if it's, or if the if some of the info are already been extracted by the scraper. Yeah, it's already here, as you can see. 32 data has been extracted from Bing search. Okay. Now we're going to close this out. Right. We're going to delete the file that was created by the scraper. Delete. Okay. And then we're going to change the because it didn't default to Canada importers underscore data dot CSV. Okay, we're going to okay 3. There you go. So this is the other one. Underscore data. Then save it. Close this up. Find a search button or search box. And I'm going to save. Right. Control S just to make sure. And okay. Now I'm going to launch that again. Now, if you're interested in combining GUI design, web scraping, or data cleaning right into one app, this project is for you. Okay. Now, drop your thoughts in the comments once we're done. Should we scrape website or automate it with LinkedIn? We can do that. Okay. By we can also use LinkedIn to check if the name of the company, if that name of the company is also in the LinkedIn profile. Okay, let's go. As you can see, it's currently checked. I'm going to load the CSV file and then start scraping. Right now, it will not going to show the Chromium browser. Okay, as you can see, it's not found. As you can see, the phone number is here. Remember, I didn't. I deleted the file from this one earlier, right? So as you can see, it created a new file, which is Canada underscore importers underscore data dot CSV, because we already changed this one, and we also changed earlier before we run the first scraper, this one and this one. Okay. Now, yeah, if you like the program, just comment down below, like, subscribe, and let's build a smarter app using Python.